Good morning, everyone. Let's learn English class. Okay, class. Today we want to learn OU sound. The OU sound in the beginning of a word. We need to spell it with the letters OU. For example, out, outside. See the OU at the beginning of the word. You got it? Good. Number 2. When you hear the OU sound at the end of a word, you need to spell it with the letters OW. For example, cow. Now. See? The OW at the end of a word. Alright, number 3, class. When you hear the OU sound in the middle of a word, you need to spell it with the letters OU. For example, you can see house, mouse. The OU letters in the middle of a word. Okay? Okay, one more to go. The last one. When you hear the OU sound before and L sounds, you need to spell it with the letters OW. For example, clown and brown. You can see the OW is in the middle of the L and N. Okay? Okay, class. That's all for today. Don't forget to do your homework. Thank you. Bye.